So, Mom, what are you doing?
Well, you know how doctors and everybody's asking and telling you about vitamin C's. You have to take your vitamin C. So, what I'm doing here today is teaching you and letting other people knows how to save and conserve their lemon because of, you know, what's going on out there. There's not too many of them. So I bought some. I don't want it to go bad. So I'm gonna try to conserve it so I can use it on tea every morning. So now they say drink a cup of lemon every morning. But we don't have a lot. So what I'm doing is, so I cut the lemon, right? I cut the lemon. So, and then I'm taking all the seeds out. I take all the seeds out of it. By the way, I wash everything already. I wash my hands. And also, I have hand sanitizer right here that I use before I even try. So, I take all the seeds out and then I'm using everything because there's lots of benefits even on the skin. The skin, you don't throw it away. The skin is good for you too. So this, and then here I have ginger. So I wash the gingers and I cut them. So what I'm gonna do is, so I'm gonna try to conserve it. Remember, there's not too much out there now, so we have to conserve things. We have to do our best to conserve what we have. It's not easy out there, guys. So if you have some stuff, try your best to save it. So I'm not a professional. I'm trying because I have to save stuff. I have kids and I have myself to protect. So let's do this. I'm gonna mix it so I can have everything blend the way it's supposed to. We're gonna make some kind of paste. And then what we're gonna do is, I have boiling water. It's not hot. I'm gonna put a little bit just so I can get everything. You have to serve things. Conserve, conserve, conserve. Also, guys, because we don't want to go out all the time. Now it's not the time to be going out every day. So when you have some things you buy, make sure you try to preserve it. So what I'm doing is, I'm gonna put this in my little glass bottle. So this gonna be in the refrigerator. In the morning, I'm gonna give my son a glass of tea. Okay, this gonna stay on my fridge at least for 3 weeks or more, just because I'm gonna use it every day. So this. That's it, guys. See? It's gonna stay in the fridge. And now, I'll show you. Every morning, what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna take a spoon, put it in my teacup. If you want to use honey, you can. If not, you don't have to. But I'm going to put a little honey in mine. The rest of it, just because I like to share, I'm going to do the rest. I'm going to give it to my sister. We have to share, guys. Don't keep everything to yourself. So, yeah. Just a bit. Not a lot. Not a lot. My water. So every morning I'll have a cup and then I'll give my son a cup. Here our vitamin C. We're gonna take our vitamin C's. Like I said, I am not a professional. I'm just trying. So, here we go. Well, also, because you know, kids are difficult. So, what you can do for the kids, you can strain it before you give it to them. So, before you give it to them. So, this is for my son. He's gonna try it and let me know what he thinks. And mine, because I'm from the Caribbean, I don't have to strain mine. I'm gonna drink mine like that. Now guys, I'm gonna try it out. Perfect. Just try to save everything you have. Best way. Your vitamin C, you don't have to buy it, you make it just at home. And you know, everything, all the benefits you have from the ginger and from lemon, from honey, I don't have to explain to you. You guys already know. So I didn't find vitamin C at the store. I said, hey, I have to save what I have. So that's why I try to do this. And my son said, hey mom, why don't you just do it? So here we go. I'm so happy that I can try it with you guys. Just help your kids stay healthy, stay safe, and God bless you.